Greetings, everyone. Welcome back to Spice World Kitchen, your go-to destination for exploring tantalizing recipes from across the globe. Today, we've got something extraordinary for you. Chicken breast creations, or as the Spanish call it, Pechugas de Pollo Recetas. I'm thrilled to share these scrumptious and easy-to-whip-up recipes with you. But before we delve into the culinary delights, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way, you won't miss any of our delectable content. Now, let's get started. Our initial culinary adventure is the lemon herb grilled chicken breast, a light and invigorating choice for a wholesome lunch or dinner. Commence by marinating the chicken breasts in a lively mixture of lemon juice, olive oil, garlic, and your preferred herbs. Allow them to absorb those vibrant flavors for a minimum of 30 minutes to guarantee a delightful taste. Now, let's head to the grill. Cook the marinated chicken breasts for approximately 6–8 minutes per side until they achieve that inviting golden brown hue with those perfect grill marks. The aroma alone will make your taste buds dance. And there you have it. Lemon herb grilled chicken breasts. They're juicy, bursting with flavor, and simply delightful. Now, let's journey to our next culinary creation. Prepare yourself for a burst of flavors with our creamy garlic parmesan chicken breast. This recipe is the epitome of indulgence. Heat up a pan and sear the chicken breasts until they boast a delectable golden brown on both sides. Next, let's introduce a luscious cream sauce, featuring garlic, Parmesan cheese, and a hint of chicken broth. Simmer until the sauce thickens and impeccably coats the chicken. Creamy garlic Parmesan chicken breast is a dish that's bound to leave an impression. It's creamy, cheesy, and utterly irresistible. For our grand finale, we'll be stuffing our chicken breasts with vibrant flavors in this pesto and tomato stuffed chicken. Create a pocket in the chicken breasts and generously fill them with a tantalizing blend of pesto and cherry tomatoes. This combination introduces a burst of freshness and an Italian twist to your dish. Pop them into the oven until the chicken is thoroughly cooked, and the pesto and tomatoes meld into a mouth-watering stuffing. Voila! Pesto and tomato stuffed chicken breasts. A dish that not only appeals to the eyes but also tantalizes the taste buds. Perfect for an elegant dinner or to impress your guests. And there you have it. 3 delightful chicken breast creations that will take your chicken game to new heights. Which one are you eager to try first? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. Don't miss out on more mouth-watering recipes. Remember to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy cooking!